Hi friends, it's Miss Jenifer at Somerset Academy of Music, and today I am here back for our technical exercise series. We are here today to learn our final exercise in the first group. We are in Book 1, Group 1, Exercise 12, and today we actually get to play a little song. We're going to always finish off number 12 with a little ditty that's called Fit as a Fiddle and Ready to Go. So I'm so excited, and hopefully you've learned and gotten really good at exercises 1 through 11. You should be practicing each one of those twice every day, and if you have, you should really be feeling great about how you're improving and how your fingers are getting stronger. You're playing faster, you're playing stronger. And you're sounding great. I just know it. I wish I could hear you. So number 12 is going to be both hands in C position. And like I said, it's going to be a little song, kind of building on some of the things that we've learned and worked on in this group. I'm going to show you the right hand first. And we're going to start with eighth notes. We've got some half notes, some whole notes. We're going to be playing little finger patterns. And then we're going to be also using our 2 chords that we've been working on, the C and the G7. Okay, this is what the right hand looks like. We're going to start here and we're going to play C, D, E, F, G, back down, F, E, D, C. Then when we get here, we're going to do some skips. E, G, E, D, G. Then we're going to play our C major chord for 4 beats. We're going to switch to our G7 for 2 beats and back to our C chord for 2 more beats. Okay? So I'm going to go through that again with the letter names. And I'm going to try to play it as much in rhythm as I can while saying those letter names like this. C, D, E, F, G, F, E, D, C, E, G, E, D, G, C major chord, G7, C major. Okay, so that is the right hand. Do that again, and I'm going to count it this time. So you can, now that we got the notes, we can do the rhythm. It sounds like this: 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. So hopefully you're kind of feeling that rhythm a little bit. Okay, the left hand is going to start with the C major chord. It's going to hold that for 4 beats. Then it's going to do that same chord, C major chord, for 2 beats. Then it's going to play the G7 for 2 beats. Then it's going to do its own little scale pattern like this: C, D, E, F, G, F, E, F, G, F, E, D, C. So it doesn't do the skips like the right hand did. So let me go through just that pattern again. So again, we start with C chord, G7. And then the finger pattern is C, D, E, F, G, F, E, F, G, F, E, D, C. I'll count the rhythm. It's 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now eighth notes: 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3, 4. Let's put it together. Here's how it goes: 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3, 4. Then once you get that mastered, you can repeat staccato like we do. So how about I play both all the way through without stopping this time? So legato the first time, repeat staccato. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3, 4. Congratulations, that's our 12 exercises. So this week you're going to practice all 12. Play every one of them twice a day. And then next week, guess what we're going to do? We are going to move on and start group 2. So we've completed now group 1, book 1, exercises 1 through 12. Congratulations. You deserve a pat on the back, especially if you've kept up with learning a new one every week. Good for you. And you should really be seeing those results. So I will look forward to seeing you next week, where we will start group 2. Take care.